The West Virginia versus EPA case is one that is very interesting. Here you have a contrast between the Biden administration's handling of polluting coal-producing power plants and the Trump administration's handling of the same thing. In 2015, President Trump had implemented a program that was called the Affordable Clean Energy Rule. The idea being that there was less emphasis on alternative forms of energy, green energy, and more emphasis on ways to make the existing processes cleaner and less harmful. And the question was, could that rule be enforced? Was it valid? Did it cause a problem? And it's called the ACE rule. It never was able to go into effect. The court really did stop it, but I think the rule is somewhat important and somewhat germane. The emphasis by the Trump administration of the ACE rule was to give states more flexibility in how they regulated emissions from coal power plants rather than requiring these large-scale shifts to renewable energy. But the ACE rule did face substantial challenges, including the case that I just described, the West Virginia versus EPA case. It was challenged on numerous occasions by numerous stakeholders who argued that it was too weak in addressing climate change and it failed to align to the EPA's statutory obligations. In 2021, the administration paused, this is the Biden administration, paused enforcement of the ACE regulations, and now they aren't in effect. However, there's been a pretty big sea change in Washington. And the question is, will the ACE regulations, those that deal with power plants and those that sort of avoid the green energy alternatives and rather focus on just making them better and healthier and cleaner, will they come into play? Only time will tell. We don't know the answer yet. We're going to have to find out what happened here.